Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get gift card on PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So let's begin. First of all, open up your browser and search for PayPal. And after that, simply log in with your account. And once you are logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, just tap on the hamburger menu located at the top left corner and just select wallet. Here you'll be asked to enter your bank account or debit card. Select the option link debit card and enter all of the card credentials and save them. Once you have saved and successfully linked your card with PayPal, you'll be able to get gift cards and you're done. That's how you can get gift card on PayPal. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.